Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I hope that your year is off to a great start. If you're new here, my name is Darian and I create juice recipes for beginners or anyone who's interested in building healthier habits. And today I just finished making the most delicious sorbet in the J2 and the Canoly C16. So I thought this couldn't have been a better time to give you guys one of the videos you've been requesting, cleaning the juicers. Especially after making sorbet, I feel like this is a very good time to go ahead and show you how easy it is to clean both juicers. I used pomegranate and pineapple, so I would say it got a little bit messy. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into breaking these juicers down and showing you how easy it is to clean them. And then once everything is washed and clean, I just put it into my little double-decker dish drying rack. This thing is amazing. As you can see, it literally holds all of the pieces for both juicers, and I can still fit other little things on the side. So this thing is absolutely amazing, and it comes in handy when I need to clean both juicers and they need to sit out and just dry. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. So there you have it. Couldn't be any more simple or straightforward. But as always, if you are interested in the Nama J2 or the Canoly C16, I have some discount codes for you. With Nama, anything on their website, you can use my code Darian10 and save 10% off on anything on the website. And if you have your eyes on the Nama J2, you can get $60 off. Very exciting, I know. And for the Canoly C16, if you have your eyes on that one, you can use my code DarianWest to save 10% off on anything on their website as well. So go ahead and grab one of these juicers. It's the new year. I know everybody's working on their health and wellness goals. These juicers would be perfect to get you on track with any wellness goals that you're trying to reach this year. I hope you found this video helpful and that I answered all of your questions regarding the cleaning process with these juicers. If you have any other questions about them or any other videos that you want to see, make sure you leave me a comment so that I can check it out and get some more videos out to you guys. But as always, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.